So both thighs are going to get a stretch this time. And see how you go. So taking the hands back, either pushing onto the fingers, maybe this is enough for the whole of the asana, maybe come to the palms. Maybe walk those hands back. So there's no competition, there's no need to come all the way down on the back. You will still get the magic. The magic is the stretch here. So if this is enough, then stay here. If you want to, come down to the elbows. No knee pain whatsoever. If the knees hurt, then don't do this. And if you've got this, some people might come down onto the back. It really doesn't matter if you're on the back or not. And you could stretch those hands behind you if it's easy. So trying to be soft here. Don't worry if the knees lift slightly. Maybe close your eyes. Scan your body. Where do you feel the breath inside the body here? Is it the chest, the belly? Inflate the lungs as big as you can. The biggest breath in, the biggest breath out. Just let gravity do the work for you.